Hello, good evening, and welcome to Flat Pack Challenge, the family game show where your self-assembly skills are tested to the limit. Backstage, we've got two teams ready to pick up their Allen keys and battle it out against the furniture. Our first team tonight are university students from Essex who spend their time partying and binge-watching horrible histories. They call themselves the queens of flat pack furniture. Let's see if they can live up to that title. Time to meet Rosie and Chloe.
Hi, I'm Rosie, I'm 21 and I'm a student vet nurse from Essex.
I'm Chloe, I'm 22 and I'm a student veterinary nurse from Essex.
We met on our first day of college at the bus stop.
I think Rosie is definitely a riot, completely spontaneous, and you're actually really funny.
I describe Chloe as being a laugh. She's very intelligent, but she's got no common sense. To be fair, it's quite entertaining. So I'd say I'm more likely to take charge. Chloe doesn't really know what's going on with the flat pack furniture.
That is true. I'm just there for the good looks.
Welcome to Flat Pack Challenge. Have you ever assembled flat pack furniture ever before?
I've never done it in my life. No, never done it.
I've done a bit of work, but I did have a bit of help, but hopefully I can do it today.
What about the nickname? Queens of Flat Pack Furniture.
Rosie's the queen.
Thank you.
You have a bit of help here.
Yeah.
So misleading title, not?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe queen, not queens.
Maybe after today.
Yeah, maybe.
We also looked a bit into your past and we found some very interesting stories and videos. Can you tell us anything about this, Chloe?
So I like to order myself a Chindian, which is half Chinese and half Indian. And when I have that, I have to have a naan bread and it has to be cut in a triangle. Don't know why, but the best takeaway I ever get, yeah.
Is that some sort of a personal invention?
Yeah, I think I did it a few years ago and it's stuck with me ever since.
Now, competing against them are Team 2. This young couple are film fanatics. Their house parties are legendary, but do they know their screwdriver from their nail gun? Already with their fingers on the screws, let's meet our second team, Gabby and Jack.
Scene one, take one. Hi, I'm Jack. I'm 24, 5. God damn it. Hi, I'm Jack. I'm 25. I'm studying film and TV production, and I'm from Stoke-on-Trent.
I'm Gabby. I'm 19. I study film and TV, and I'm from Lithuania.
Our couple name is Jabby. We met at uni, and then at a party, I taped our hands together so that I could touch her hand. We got matching tyres. If we ever show affection sort of outside of privacy...
I usually make throw up noises.
Yeah.
I'm taking charge. It's me, I'm taking charge. Because you suck. I'm taking charge.
Welcome to Flat Pack Challenge. Have you ever completed any flat pack furniture?
I built like a sofa thing for your dad.
Yeah, we've done a little bit, so
Okay.
just below average.
Just below average. Do you think just below average will be enough to beat the queens of flat pack furniture?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, different levels of confidence, I like that. We've also done a bit of digging of backstories from you guys. Can you tell us about your trip to Wales?
We went up Snowdon, the highest mountain in the UK. And it was steep, and we had to have a break for you.
Yeah, it was really, really hot because it was like mid-August, I think. And it was just, we were a bit hungover as well.
Oh, yeah.
So when it was like almost the highest point, I had to just sit down and like take 5 minutes because I couldn't keep going. It was just really, really warm.
All good furniture addicts know their William Morris from the Charles Ames. So, being connoisseurs of taste and refinement, we here at Flat Pack Challenge thought we'd ask you to construct some furniture that ranks with the very highest achievements in art and design. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present the Rocking Moose. Laid out on the wall before you are all the components you will need to complete the build, along with some simple instructions on the table. The first team to complete this small but beautifully formed mousse will carry on to the final round, while the other team will go home empty-handed with just mousse memories to last them a lifetime. But first, let's see how to build a mousse with the help of our very own self-assembly expert, DIY Denver.
When building the mousse, in summary, it's vital you get the cross braces for the sleigh the right way round, and remember to check your orientation of the tail and also the antlers.
So that's how it is done, but we are going to make things considerably harder for you than it was for DIY Denver. Both teams will be wearing the conjoined vests before you. That means each team will only have 2 arms to build instead of 4. Now, Denver's mousse took around 7 minutes, but because you are going to get all cozy inside the vest, it's going to be a lot harder for you. So that's why we are going to give you twice as long. But when 15 minutes have passed, I'm going to sound this big boy, and your time will be up. Got it? So, everybody ready? Yeah. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Let's get building!
Where is?
Right, go.
Get those bits.
Right, can I have...
That one.
You can only use one hand.
Okay.
Oh yeah, okay, sorry, yeah.
Oh, cheating.
God. I forgot. Yeah, so the now's going that way. Right.
I'm pretty sure you should be trying to assemble it, not disassemble it.
It's
fine, we don't,
yeah. No, as in like the other... Wait, oh my God, it says the numbers on it, hang on.
Well done.
Why would you? You know what? Fine. Don't trust us. Go on.
I'm trying.
He doesn't have free.
I would like to advise you to pick up the pace because we're approaching the last few minutes left of the challenge. And none of you seems to be any point closer to finishing the rocking mousse. I think one of them is tying the... and the other one is not tying it.
Right. I guess.
What am I meant to do? Hold it.
I do it against them.
There we go, right.
The blue team seems to have actually finished with the tail, which is good. A lot more than we can say about the orange team.
Go.
Big hand.
I'm not surprised at all that teams seem to be progressing once they started using the actual instructions of building the rocking mousse.
Just do the antlers.
No, we can't. Get that one. Get this one.
Yeah, we can't screw it on though, Jack.
Ow. Yeah,
Like, we gotta unscrew the legs.
No, we're fine. We'll do it.
You can't fake it till you make it.
I can.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
I am quite confident that it's not...
That is very safe.
You didn't say we had to build it.
It rocks.
correctly.
It is? Is it?
Alright. Last one. You got that one? Can you hold this? Because it's falling. Thank you.
And yes, Gabby and Jack seem to be doing quite a good job, whereas Rosie and Chloe are only missing one leg from their mousse. They're trying to fit it in. If only they could add 2 extra screws, but Gabby and Jack are very calm and collected whilst completing one of the almost last touches of the rocking mousse.
Oh, big floppy one.
Almost.
Ah.
Oh!
Oh, you got them.
Dangerous drop. Chloe and Rosie are still in it. They add the leg.
Okay, go.
Done. Finished.
Oh, the air horse has been sounded, which means everyone stop what you're doing right now. So, let's inspect your hard work. Team 1. Rosie and Chloe. The self-proclaimed queens of flat pack furniture. How do you think you dealt with the rocking mousse today?
Well, most of it went well, I'd say. I mean,
It's all together when you look at
it's
it.
functional.
Yeah, it rocks.
It looks good.
Yeah?
I see a lot of screws on the table, so that's why I'm a bit afraid. Do you mind if I give it a bit of a stronger...
I mean, it was functional.
That's upsetting actually now.
It is very upsetting. But on that note, let's move on to the second team and see if their moves has more than 2 legs. So, Gabby and Jack,
Hello.
Hi.
how do you think you dealt with our rocking moves today?
We messed it up quite a few times.
Twice.
Yeah.
But we went back and did it again, because you can't fake it when it's flat back.
Okay, great. That
Yep.
was a great description of our show. Yeah, let's check out your moves too. Seems pretty steady.
See, the ring's having fun.
Yeah, makes a nice noise. Did you follow the instructions?
A little bit. Apparently I can't tell which screw is which.
No.
So Jack had to take over. But that's fine. It's only pictures, it's fine.
Teamwork you developed in time,
Yeah.
very good today. It's the moment of truth. Only one team can carry on to the final. Will it be the spontaneous, glitter-obsessed Rosie and Chloe? Or will it be the adorable, loving Jabby? The team that will progress to the second round is... Gabby and Jack. Congratulations for winning the first round. You will now move on to the final. Whereas for our other team, you did your best, but now it's time to walk the walk of shame.
Come on then. Let's go.
Hang on.
Felicia.
Everyone, say farewell to Team 1. Thank you, Rosie and Chloe. The closing round is called the hot seat, where you have to put together, you guessed it, a tiny chair. Laid on the wall before you is all you need to complete your build. Sounds simple enough, right? Perhaps it is indeed child's play. So let's see how DIY Denver got on when he built it.
This chair is one of the most simplest items you can build. The challenge here is going to be to try and get it wrong.
There's a man who knows the difference between a joist and a screw hole, so he built his chair in less than 2 minutes. Well, you may be wondering where these are, but don't worry, this is the flat pack challenge set and not 50 Shades. But one of you will be wearing these beautiful kitchen gloves, whilst your better half will be blindfolded. As a team, through communication and guidance, and dare I say, touch, you have to build this piece of furniture in only 5 minutes. Remember, this luxurious mystery prize could be yours if I think you deserve it. If I don't, your chair well and truly sucks. I'll enjoy the prize instead. Whoever said life was fair. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty, for the final time tonight, let's get building!
Okay.
And we're underway with the final challenge from the flat pack challenge today.
No, put it down.
Did you guys take any tactic? Are you
Okay.
poorly eyesighted, or
Jack,
why are you the
come here,
blind one?
Give me a hand.
Jack?
Take one of these.
What is it?
There's one of these, yeah. Find a hole and put them in the holes. They're all here. No, yeah.
What do you mean?
They're there. You touch with your fingers.
They're right to me.
What's happening?
I don't know.
I might just say
isn't-
you can also twist it. Okay.
But they're the same side ones.
Yes.
Oh, wait.
That's where you twist it.
This is fine. This is fine.
I think so.
This one's a bit easier because you can feel the holes.
I understand.
Okay, let go. Put it right in front of you.
2 minutes
There
left.
you go. Twist. I got the other one. Now I do.
Just don't forget, we want it to be as steady as possible. We want you to actually be able to use it
Yep.
in your daily life. Oh,
I got it. No, I did. Oh,
that's the challenge.
Jack.
So they lost, dropped the Allen key on the floor. With less than 2 minutes left, Jack's on the floor,
You got it?
picks it up. Beautiful teamwork from
Yeah,
Gabby
got it
and
there.
Jack.
Yep. And the one's right in front of you. Here. Oh, further. Yep. There. Go, go, go. It's your last one. Go.
I'm going.
Go quick.
Almost.
Oh my God, Jack.
I've done it.
this is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to find out whether Team 2 will take home the Flat Pack Challenge prize, or if I will. Have they done enough to be crowned the winners of Flat Pack Furniture? I can now reveal that. Team 2 are the winners of this week's show! Congratulations, guys! You completed your build in less than 5 minutes. You get to take home this amazing prize. We have a handy toolbox for all your furniture construction needs and a wonderful home spa package, which includes a bottle of bubbly and a facial kit for those late evenings when the building is all done. What an amazing, exciting and dramatic show it's been, from Chindian to matching tattoos, from a lover's lift to a half-built moose. Tune in next week to watch 2 brand new teams struggle to build simple furniture against the clock. Thanks for watching and good night.